Ocean View Avenue East, Unit 3B, and the one on the right as we're looking. But I just wanted to give you an idea of everything from the street. Here's your gated community here. Of course, they let you know private parking. So let's take a walk up, and as we enter, you see where the garage door is open. This is where we're entering into, and you're going to see a gorgeous 4-bedroom, 4-bath, looking at the scenic view on the ocean. So come on and take a look with me. And we're in the Ocean View area, and we will detail everything out. And here is the double car garage. Let's take a quick look, even as we're going to be entering. Not bad, very neat. So let's take a look as we will come around on the walk. And the ocean side is where this condo is located. We're going to be entering into the property. Let's take a quick peek. Here we go. We're on our way in. This gorgeous condominium features 4 bedrooms, but as we come in, you can see the foyer area. There's stairwell. So we go off to our right, and here we have a gorgeous first floor master bedroom. And you see the dunes in the back, and we're gonna get there. Oh, look how spacious this is. As we enter, I wanted to give you a view of the fan and all of the things that actually go with that. As we walk straight toward the back of the bedroom, we also now see a bath. That's our first bath that we've taken a look at. And look at this spacious walk-in closet off of the bath. Wow. Shower. Now let's take a look out back. Here you see the dunes right off, but as you get to the 2nd and 3rd floor, you will see the ocean. Another look at the bedroom. Now as we exit this bedroom, we're going to continue to take a look down. Here's a coat closet here, and this would be the exit out to the spacious garage. Let's take a look. Oh, I took a step down everyone. So let's enter back into the property. And let's see here. Now we're going to go upstairs to take a look at what we find. Now this one has a spectacular view of the ocean from the 2nd and 3rd floors. So as we enter up, and you have a great floor plan here. You also have a shared elevator. And as we're entering, we're going to go to our right, so we can show you as we're walking through all of the major things that are important. Beautiful room off of the kitchen, which gives the frontal view as we entered into the property. How spacious this room is. And then you also have a bath right off with a standalone shower here. And this is considered another bedroom here that overlooks the front, but here's a spacious closet as well. As we exit this bedroom, it's right off from the kitchen. The kitchen has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and the view from the ocean side. Here you can see gas, built-in microwave, and the white cabinetry with the window in the kitchen. And once again, as I've shown you in a previous listing, the undermount sink. attention to detail. You have your dishwasher as well in your center aisle. Refrigerator. And now we're going to go off of the kitchen again. And here's the bath. So a third bath that we've seen. And this one has 4 baths. Now this door, and I also went to it downstairs. You have access to the elevator from the first floor. This is the second floor. You just put the key in, open, and then get in and take a ride. Pantry built in. And here's the dining area here. They have it neatly decorated. A lot of lighting in the property. Now we're going to go off here. And you have a wonderful, wonderful room that is cozy enough to sit and enjoy the ocean breeze and the sound of the surf. You have fireplace and of course telescope, which does not convey for the scenic views. This room is pretty spacious, and you do have the double glass doors here. As we exit out on this balcony on the second floor, we're on the second floor, and wow, take a look. This is the ocean, and boy, you can't get any better than this. The scenic view, and listen to the sounds. Nature. Or take a look here as we look around. Now let's go inside and take a look on our third floor, and let's see what else this condo has to offer. I didn't mention, look at the hardwood floors. Gorgeous. Now, as we are making our rounds and we're heading on to the third floor, you also have another great scenic view with the larger master bedroom. And we will be going to our right. Here's your utility room. Very spacious for getting the job done. Lots of lighting. And the elevator door is open. I'm going to back away so you can take a look. You just utilize that. We are on the third floor. This elevator works all the way down to the first. So get on and let's take a ride. We're going to enter into the bedroom. Here, very spacious. And this one has a door and a balcony on the front. So you can also get the street view as we entered in. Take a view of your neighbors. And the breeze is awesome at this point right here. Very spacious room, and you also have a bath in this room as well. And we just wanted to give you an idea of what this condo has to offer. Now we're going to go across the hallway. And look at how spacious this unit is. This is the walk-in closet. I'm just making sure you can see the lighting. And as we turn away to get a different view of the room, sunlight in the back, just to give you an idea of how large this room is. As we walk into the bath, everything basically is standalone shower. You have your privacy here, and as we look and gaze, the bathroom and the jetted tub. This has to be a treat which overlooks the perfect view of the ocean while you're bathing. You can hear the sound of the surf. Now let's exit out. You also have a patio with a glass door here. As we exit onto the balcony on the 3rd floor, you get to see more of the wonderful ocean. You get to hear the sounds of nature. Just take a look how gorgeous this view is. I'm going to zoom in to bring you a taste of what this condo offers. Peace, tranquility, serenity, those are priceless. So if you're interested, we ask that you contact us. Let us know how we can make this dream come true for you. The agent is Keith Canty. And as we come back into the property, it is just one to behold. You get a feel as to the detail work, the maintenance, and we ask that you make an offer. All offers are welcome and will be negotiated. So come in and take a look and see if this would be where you would like to spend your time. Thanks again, and we'll see you in your neighborhood.